Hey guys, welcome back to the Albanian here, and today we're working on a 2012 ML350 and it's Blue Tech. This time we're gonna do the brake fluid, and I got here a Pentasin Super .4, and over here I shine some light so you can see where the reservoir is. Alright, so just to give you a quick rundown on what's gonna happen here. So the reservoir has lines that go to each tire and then to the brake line, and it has 4 lines basically that when you press the brake pedal, what it does, forces the fluid into the brake pad and makes them close or sandwich them around the disc. So that fluid over time or overused, it can get dirty or it can get really brown, and I can show you mine. It's still kind of clear, but it needs to be like completely clear like water. It's time to be changed. As far as level, that's right up there where it says here max, which is right at the top. The level is good. So how I'm gonna attack this is basically with this little setup here what I got. So it's a little line, it's a little tube that fits perfectly right over the brake bleed valve, and when you open the valve it will catch fluid right in here. Start with the furthest away and work your way to the closest one, which in this case, as you can see, the reservoir is right here and you got the front driver's side here. This line basically is the shortest, and then the next shortest will be front passenger, and then the third one rear driver's side, and then the furthest one will be the rear passenger. We're gonna start on the rear passenger, rear driver, front passenger, and then front driver. You might be asking where's the pump, because it makes the job so much easier, and it does. I'm just gonna go with the old style, pressing on the brake pedal and manually pushing the fluid outward, and as the fluid gets pushed out and into the bottle, you want to come every so often and check that the level doesn't go very low, because then you're going to introduce air into the system, so we don't want to do that. Back into the driver's side, push the brake pedals, push more fluid in, and then top off. So it's going to be this circle of going back and forth. Like I said, the pump will be so much easier, but I'm fine with doing this, so if you're fine doing this, follow the video. Now let's take a closer look. Let me show you where that little nipple, I guess you can call it, is located, and it's right here. This dust cap, just remove it. So you're gonna need a 11 millimeter. Place this over here first, then grab your homemade discard bottle, whatever you want to call it, and the pipe. I'm not sure about the size because I was just trying, eyeballing it. Feel like it's a 1/4 inch maybe. This fits perfectly right over the nipple, and it needs to be a little bit tight, of course, so it doesn't spill over. And just like this, you will open the floodgate. Well, you'll turn the little nipple counterclockwise so it opens up. And you can start seeing fluid coming out. You want to go ahead and hit the brake pedal, push fluid outward. I know some people, what they do, they will push the brake pedals, turn this off so it builds pressure, and then open it to release. You can do that, it's up to you. What I do, I just leave it open all the way. What I've seen that a lot of people do, and that's totally up to you again, they will siphon out about, half or probably down to the minimum. To me, it's kind of the same thing. You either siphon out or just push all the way through to get the fluid to the minimum, and then add all the way to the maximum new fluid. So now start pumping the brakes. Alright, we've drained out all the reservoir. It has a little bit here at the minimum, as you can see here at the very bottom. Now we're gonna fill up the rest with our new fluid. Let's do that. Push off some more fluid, still old fluid. Let's keep going. Still got some ways to go. Halfway there. All right, we are in the clear. I don't know if you can tell the difference, but I surely can. So we're good on this side now. I'm gonna shut this down. Back on it. Now we're on the passenger front. We're almost there. So after we're done with all 4 tires, we just top this off cap, and this is it. Hope you liked the video. If you did, thumbs up. If not, you know what to do, and I'll catch you guys next time.